Very good morning, friends, traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. So we are near the closing of the week, this week. Today is Thursday, and Thursday is also an expiry day, and there is no tomorrow because tomorrow is holiday. There is no trading day on tomorrow. So everything has to be compiled within this day. The market has popped up to this level, to this area. Market tried to move to this area. So this is the boundary of the previous breakdown area. It has tested there and it has closed there. It has closed around 23,437. And it seems if we put this, it is at the top. Suppose if there is any correction during the intraday gap down or anything, this is the pivot area. Pivot means 180 degree of the circle. That comes to 23,198. So anything dipping down to this area will push the market higher. It will act as support, and the market may trend to trade in the direction of the upside. That's what. So now it is the resistance area. Probably we may see some correction. Suppose if the correction continues below this 23,192, we may see the levels of 23,115 to 23,080. So based on the India VIX, it was around 21 point something. It has cooled down to 15.87. When it has cooled down, based on that calculation, I've got upper level to be 23,631 and daily low to be 23,242. These are the areas when I noticed in the option chain analysis, maximum number of open interest have been clustered around this area. So these are the important levels you need to note for today's trade. Weekly high to be 23,953 and weekly low to be 22,922. So take the screenshot and mark the levels and also mark these levels which I have marked based on the calculations 0.26 and 0.66 and everything. You mark it. They will be helpful for you and also our indicator, which I have given it to you, the combined indicator of GAN levels, 0.66 and 0.26 levels, as well as SPY indicator and Keltner channel will help you to trade in the proper direction. Coming to the Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty is also, continuously it is making an upper move. And the first resistance is 53,558 and first support is 52,676. We need to go back. Let me go back. It's a let me go to the hourly chart so that you can see it is almost near the peak. So this is an imbalance. The market has, with imbalance only, it's straight away. There is no intraday dips. It has not given any dips. It is an elongated profile. Probably some resistance it may face around. Let me go there. Let me zoom it here. Here, around 53,346 is the level. That is the breakdown level, and there is some sort of liquidity available in this area. dynamic liquidity 53,054. It has already crossed that 53,117. So there is little bit of liquidity available in this area. In this area, probably Bank Nifty may try to push to that level. I'll reset the chart view so that you can see properly what it is doing. So the levels to note down are 53,558 and 52,676. So 1, 2, it is on the verge of third cycle after the breakout. Whether it will consolidate in a range before attempting to the next cycle, we need to see. Today, you closely watch the price action. Probably some sort of sideways movement can be seen in Bank Nifty also. So today's trade, you need to watch the levels for the Nifty. I've clearly mentioned these are the levels. If the market comes to this level, suppose if it comes to this level, a buying opportunity can be initiated in the market to the target of 23,631, and it may even cross this level in the next week, because this is the breakout actually, 2 cycles, 1 cycle, and it is the second cycle. In this second cycle, market may actually take some support to gather momentum. It can step back and take liquidity, grab over here. Beneath this level, there is liquidity, plenty of liquidity present in this area, because these are the call writers area, put writers area. From the put writers area, it can grab liquidity from the put writers. So making the put writers a little bit panic. So it can even dip down to 23,192, or even it can dip down to 23,111. Those are the very, very good support areas for the market to move higher. So today, any dip, you need to carefully watch whether it is going to take the dip deep down. If it takes below 0 degree, that is 180 degree, 23,115 will provide us a very decent support for the market, base for the market for the next week. The market will continue its up move till it reaches almost to the target of 23,631. So it is under the up move. Any dip is a buying opportunity. You need not worry until it breaks below 22,933. It is the weekly breakout level. And there is an imbalance in the breakout. That is a gap up. Since there is a gap up in that, the price tends to move down to balance it out with the time. So that is what it will go. It is going to happen if it corrects. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.